AI is not eliminating consulting. It is changing where value sits inside consulting. Clients never paid consultants just for information. They paid for judgment, prioritization, execution support, political navigation, and confidence in difficult decisions. AI accelerates research, slide creation, financial modeling, and generic analysis, but clients still struggle with implementation and context. That changes consulting economics. If AI can generate a first-pass analysis in hours, clients will not pay premium rates for weeks of manual work. Pricing shifts towards outcomes, specialization, and trust. Generic consulting becomes vulnerable. Deep expertise becomes more valuable. The winners will be smaller, faster firms using AI internally to improve delivery while building proprietary frameworks and strong industry positioning. Think healthcare pricing, supply chain transformation, or AI implementation strategy. AI is an amplifier, not an autonomous consultant. Human judgment still matters. If you are building or considering to build a consulting practice, you can access at no cost Episode 1 of How to Build a Consulting Practice at firmsconsulting.com/build.